The fastest way to make $25,000 in the next 30 days. Check it out. So you have a motivated seller, okay? You have a person that has a house. You find a person that is looking to sell, okay? They need to sell, whether it be divorce, foreclosure, inherited property, whatever. They own the property and they're going through a circumstance in their life that's got them looking to sell the property, okay? You then contract the property. Okay, so you find a price by looking at the comps, which is comparable sales in the area, to contract the house at a price that makes sense. All right. After you contract that house, you have the ability to assign, right? You assign the deal for more money. So you assign the deal down to an investor that's looking. Investors are always looking for deals to either make it an Airbnb, make it a rental property, make it a fix and flip. You know, anything like that. They're looking to do those things. All right. After you get the investor, you then are going to go to the local title company, all right? You're going to close at a title company in your area. You're just going to simply Google wholesale friendly title companies in your area.